www.gibsonTruckworld.com 2005 GMC 2500 Regency SLT Crew Cab 4-wheel drive monster riding on a 6-inch lift kit with a nice set of 315 tires. 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, premium Bose sound, OnStar, dual power heated leather seating, CD player, chrome Nerf bars and towing package with power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors. Simply put, this GMC Regency monster is one sweet machine with a truly comfortable ride. Gibson Truck World is highly regarded as the world's largest, most trustworthy truck dealership. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the continental United States, 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department with our exclusive 15-day return policy. Honest, reliable, loyal, we are.